Yogi Clan, welcome to 2020. And with 2020 being here, it's time to make plans for 2020. And these plans include you. I need your help with an event that I have coming up in April. I talked about it last year. I put some videos up about it last year. Well, it's coming. It's only 4 months away. And I need you to be there. I want you to be there. So what am I talking about? Let's get into it. First off, if you are new to Yogi Cycle Service, I welcome you. I am Yogi, and this is my channel. And on my channel, I have things from wrenching, basically everything motorcycle related, and really everything Yogi related. So this video is going to fall under that category of Yogi related because it's not a wrenching video, it's not a product review video, it's not a ride video, it's not a vlog video, but it is a video about something that's near and dear to my heart, and that's orphans. James 127 is so near and dear to my heart, I got a tattoo of it on my arm. James 127, pure and undefiled religion before God and the Father is this, to visit the orphans and the widows in their time of distress. And that's something that's very important to me and my family. So let's talk about it and what I do as my own personal ministry to fulfill James 127. Well, the biggest thing I do as part of Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club is a run we call the Orphan Run. And that happens the first weekend of every April. And this year will be the 7th annual Orphan Run. That's right, 7th. So you know what? That means that we've had 6 other opportunities to try to make it freaking awesome. So I'm really looking forward to this. Last year we raised about $4,000. Our benefactor that we donate to is a company called Sacred Selections, a nonprofit, and what they do is they donate to families like ours for the cost of adoption. Doesn't have to be international, it can be domestic adoptions, but they provide to Christian families funds to help cover the costs of adoptions, because let's face it, they're expensive, right? They're really expensive. So that said, I want to put it on your radar now. April 4th, 2020 in Concord, North Carolina will be Disciple Christian Motorcycle Club's 7th annual Orphan Run. And yours truly will be there because I'm coordinating the darn thing. So any of my moto vlogging friends, any of my personal buddies, anybody local, anybody in any motorcycle clubs, anybody not in any motorcycle clubs, any just general riders out there, you want a road trip? I got a road trip for you. Concord, North Carolina. Let me go pay for this ticket. Insert with barcode up. Pay with card. $9. I was here for an hour and a half. It's $9. Tap insert card. I already did. Well, I guess you gotta leave the card in. I'll give you a receipt. Got the receipt. Let's roll. All right. We're free. So anyways, I am really excited about this run coming up. This is probably one of my favorite times of year. I love the Orphan Run. Our ride usually consists of about 70 to 80 miles. I'm probably going to get it police escorted this year because I'm expecting more than 100 riders coming. And when it comes to 100 riders, that's really gets kind of a handful to manage yourself. So we're probably going to have a police escort. I already have the food lined up. I have all kinds of pork lined up. I'm looking to have the same band that we had last year who really rocked. It's going to be at Speedway Harley Davidson in Concord, North Carolina. Plug it in your GPS, figure out how far it is from your home, and put it in the calendar. There are multiple hotels right across the street from the Harley dealer. If you're looking for a place to crash, there are plenty of hotels. I invite all of y'all to come. Registration's $15 per person, $20 for 2 up. I'll have shirts there for sale. The barbecue, the food's included in your cost of ride. $1 for dollar. Everything donated there. I'm going to try to find corporate sponsorship to cover all food, cover all costs. I believe we have a corporate company that's donating all the shirts. I'm probably going to print 100. So the first 100 people can buy a shirt. The shirts will probably sell for $25, somewhere around in there. And anybody who wants to be any kind of corporate sponsor, anyone who does a donation of $250 or more, I'll put your name on the back of the shirt. So, last year when I did this, it was the week after the Orphan Run that my GoPro arrived. from Amazon. So I didn't have a GoPro, so I didn't have any kind of video recording for last year. My YouTube channel was only 4 months old. I didn't have a lot of followers. I didn't have a lot of anything. Well, now after working on this for a year, now we got some stuff. Now we got some followers. Now we got some people watching, people engaged, and so now I'm pulling strings saying, hey, I want you to come. For those who want to donate, we have a PayPal address. It's dogwoodcrew@yahoo.com. You can do a friend-to-friend transfer, send a donation to it. That's really it. I just want to get this event out there and on your radar. We have the flyer made up. I haven't asked Speedway Harley if we could host it there, but I'm working on that. And I also need to contact the band. So those are things I'm working on this week, but we're diligently trying to get this together. So share this flyer. If you can't find the flyer, I'm going to put it on Instagram and I'm going to put it on Facebook under Yogi Cycle Service. I'll have the flyer on both. So feel free to share the flyer with anyone who you might know might be interested. So along with that, with the orphan ministry and James 1:27 being so important to my family, I'm going to add another spoke to the wheel of Yogi's Cycle Service. I want to do a little bit of interviewing of my daughter Stella, who's 16, who was adopted 3 years ago from Ukraine. I'm going to do a little bit of interviewing with her because she was at the Orphan Run last year and she rode with me in the Orphan Run last year and might ride with me again this year. And I really want to get some of her experiences because, you know, like I said in the intro of this, yeah, this channel when I created it was supposed to be about wrenching, service, how to save money, doing your own work, DIY type stuff. And it just everything motorcycle related. Well, you know what? It's kind of morphed, and I kind of want to give you a little backstory of who I am and what makes Yogi tick. And adoption and the fatherless, the motherless is one of the things that makes Yogi tick. And, you know, I want to share that. And that, because that is my ministry. The orphan ministry is our family ministry, and that's something that is very important to me. And if I leave that out and just show you videos of, hey, here's how to change your oil, here's how to change your tire, then what really good does that do me at the end of the day? So I want to share some of those things about me and what makes me tick. And I'm really excited because I got a drone. So this year I'm hoping to drone some of this footage. But the problem is where the Harley dealer is within 5 miles of an airport, so the DJI drone won't fly. So I won't be able to take drone of the parking lot, but I'm gonna try to spend a lot of this time recording this orphan run that I didn't do last time because I didn't have the equipment. So some awesome video footage can be coming your way, some awesome clips with Stella, some of her experiences and some of the things that we went through together, you know. Well, that'll be coming your way also. And, of course, we'll be bringing more wrenching. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Share this. It's huge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll catch you on the next video. All right, Yogi Clan. Peace.